have all the best sellers with the signature flavors. We have basil, chestnut honey, fresh mint, tea, ginger, crispy chocolates, rosemary, and cacao bean.
You can eat them now. You don't have to keep them for 2 weeks. It'll
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, what we have is our little box of chocolates that we got from Jacques Genin in Paris, France. Very expensive, and we've eaten some of it, but I've got one more piece that I'm going to eat. And so I've got a helper here that's going to open the box for us and then take one of these little tiny pieces of expensive chocolate and cut it. She'll cut it in half, and I'll just do a taste test. And just, let's see, any one of the dark one. Let's try the dark one. And let's cut that in half. You can buy larger pieces, but we just got a little box here. Let's see, let me taste that. Let's see. It's got a very rich flavor. Is it worth the price? If you're a chocolate connoisseur, maybe so. Very expensive, but it is delicious. Very rich taste. I'm gonna let my helper, she can grab a little piece.
Oh, thanks.
Is that good?
Yeah, you can tell it's pure cocoa because you can really taste the deep chocolate in there.
Very rich, very rich. So yeah, it's worth the try if you can afford to do so while you're in Paris. If you can afford to, spend a little bit on some very fine chocolate, go buy Jacques Genin.